Hi guys, welcome back. Velian here, VST. It's time for another exciting new watch face for the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch, guys. I'm really thrilled about it because it is one coming from MD, Matteo Dini, one of the best modelers out there. And without any further ado, let me just show you. It's free for a limited time, so if you want to get this for free, guys, on your watch, you just have to hurry and watch the full video. Boom! And that's the watch face, guys. It's the so-called MD228, a digital watch face. It has 5 preset apps, shortcuts, 2 customizable shortcuts, health data, dating, multi-language, changeable colors, and more. And guys, the best thing is you can really get this for free. But guys, if you do watch my videos and like them, then you can always subscribe to my channel. I'm just gonna show how this works. So take up the phone, guys, go to my channel here on YouTube, then you just press the subscribe button like this, and then also tap on the notification bell. You can choose all, and by doing this you're gonna be notified every time I release a new video, and then of course you'll be among the first commanders, right? So this is, guys, the way for you to support me. So I'm gonna be leaving this here as a short reminder, and going back now to the video, guys. Really incredible Matteo Dini MD228 for free, a limited time offer. We have coupons here presented by the developer himself, and guys, I'm just gonna show you how this works. I'm gonna be putting down these links in the video description. All right, so these free coupons are here for a limited time. You just need to click on the link, guys. You're gonna be presented here with a site, and then this site will prompt you to create your coupon. So here, guys, you need to choose your country, and I'm doing this here in real time with my country, guys. So I'm choosing Bulgaria here, then I put view coupon here, okay, and then it has an anti-spam questions. What is 4 plus 10? I think it's 14. Let's try that one. We press the view coupon here. Boom, guys, my coupon is now generated, so I just need to select that one, okay? Now I need to copy, guys. Now what do you need to do, guys, next? Very simple step. Just go into the Galaxy store. You just need to go here, and then you need to go to coupons and gift cards. Then you just need to press and add a new one. Then you need to paste the code here, guys. Wait for the magic to happen, and here, MD228 Premium Digital Watch Face, it is for free right now. And this is how you can install it, guys. So just press on it, okay, 100% discount. Then you need to press use coupon. Usually it's €1.30. Right now you need to press the price as if you're paying it, but remember we have the coupons here, so we just press allow. And when you're presented with this option, guys, choose here use points or coupons, press again here, pay now, 0 amount of money, payment complete. You're gonna get like a legit receipt in your email that you own this watch face, and after actually the installation is completed, you can directly apply it from here, guys. In 3, 2, 1, apply. Check your watch. Boom, you get now the very cool latest MD228 on your Galaxy Active Watch 2 for free, guys. And let me just show you guys some of the options here, right? It has again all the settings for the hours, it has the date, it supports also multiple languages, the battery, changeable colors, heart rate intervals, steps count, move distance, burn calories, floors, moon phases, 2 custom shortcuts, and 5 preset shortcuts. And guys, let me show you how this works. Now when you open the watch, guys, you can very easily change the colors just by tapping like this. You see the magic? Wow, I do like Matteo Dini's work, guys. It is really absolutely phenomenal. You can see now all the colors changing, guys. I really like his work. You can see all the details, you know, very subtle changes. You can see now, guys, all the colors changing. Just press double tap in an area that is not, you know, related to a shortcut, guys. You can see here we have the hour, okay, here we have apparently the battery, we have the heart rate also with indications, guys. And guys, we have here also the shortcuts, like these 3 points here. When you tap on them, you can apparently associate them with some apps. So right now, let's say I just tap here, I'm gonna get to the alarm, guys. All right, if you want to change the setting, then you just press double tap, and then you should be able to just set another application, guys. Let me just cycle through all the colors so we can just explore this beauty. Okay, double tap here. Wow. Oh wow. When you double tap, guys, changing the colors, just make sure that you don't hit any of the areas associated with the application, because if you hit, let's say, the heart rate, you're gonna go to the heart rate like I did right now. Pretty nice colors, guys. Again, Matteo Dini is one of the best guys out there, creating really one of the best watch faces around. So if I will be you guys after this video, if you don't own, of course, the Galaxy Active 2, just hurry and install this. Probably safe area to tap is here, like the seconds, because they're not really associated with anything else. So double tap quickly, change all the colors. Unlimited options, guys. Unlimited options. Okay, so we have here the clock, guys. Here we have the alarm. When you click on this alarm bell, guys, it's just gonna get directly to the alarm. So how sweet is this? Here you have all the steps you made. Here you have the seconds. Here you have the floors. Here you have the calories burned. Here you have the kilometers. Here you have the heart rate and the battery. Okay, so let's just change again and see all the other colors, guys. Wow, red, incredible, guys. Plenty of options, guys. I probably stick with this one here because I think it preserves a little bit more of the battery. And guys, I really do hope that you liked the video. Again, if you like my videos, guys, just take up your phone and do subscribe for my channel, guys. If you own the Samsung Galaxy Active 2, then just go directly and download this watch face, install it for free. And then again, guys, have a really nice rest of the day. Enjoy your weekend. And with that said, VST over and bye.